And then regarding the second abstract I presented in the late breaker session, it actually looked at the people who did really well in the first 4 months of tralokinumab use. So if we actually did a look back analysis, and we said, let's see if there's something in the very early stages that may predict people doing well in that 5-year data. And we called those, we looked at what we call super responders at week 16. And in particular, the people who achieved EASI 90. So if you achieve a great response in the first 4 months, what we found in this analysis is that predicted highly the fact that the patients were going to do well over a 5-year period. So the response in the first 4 months, if patients are doing great, you have them on the drug, you can now with confidence say, look, this is likely to be at least a 5-year success drug for you. That's what our data showed. So everybody asked me, can we predict who those people are at the beginning? So before we start drug, and we haven't been able to do that yet. So we can't identify those super responders, so to speak, before we start, where we don't have any biomarker or clinical characteristic, but we do know that initial first few month response is really important for long-term success.